Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammad Hassan, and from today we are going to explore some of the others from Swiss Arabian. So I had a sample box laying around from like past 2-3 years, and my son, actually the little one, he actually ripped off some of the labels from those sample bottles. That was really frustrated for me. So there are like 7 or 8 that has been left behind, so I am going to review all those one by one so you can better understand all those others, and if you want to buy or try them, you can have a good sense of what those others actually offer. So today I'm going to start with this one. This is a sample of Noura Onyx. Okay, so I will put the bottle over here on the left. Noura Onyx from Swiss Arabian. So this is a sample vial, and now I think I will try to put it on a this strip over here. Although I think I should put it on my skin. So let's start with the skin. So I will use 3 or 4 different locations because I'm going to test few more others. So this is going to be Noura Onyx. Onyx is a stone, Noura is actually light. So maybe it is related to stone, light of the stone. Let's see how it actually smells like. So I'm going to apply it on my index finger of the left hand. Okay, so very soapy, light, sparkling kind of soapy. It is more on a soapy green side. It is kind of very close to, I think, one of their very famous others. It is refreshing, a bit soapy, a bit green, a bit sparkling lemon yellow. It has some lemony kind of zest. Very refreshing. I think it should be worn in the summers. Although it is mostly meant for women, I think men can easily pull this off too. Very light, very kind of creamy, a little bit of soapy. I think 30% soapy, 20% zest or lemony. I think it is it reminds me of one of the blends from Abdul Samad Al Qureshi, Makan blend. It is very close to that. That one was also soapy. I think I have a review on my channel, so I might put it over here somewhere. Now the soapiness is going down. Let's heat it up. Lemony soap, a light creaminess, a sparkling kind of zest, and maybe there is lavender that is in the background, that is just rounding off everything. I don't smell lavender too much over here because I have sniffed actual pure lavender oil. Overall, I would rate it out of like 10. I would rate it 7 out of 10, and I think it is good for summers. 6 or 7 out of 10. Not very unique, but it is a very nice, refreshing kind of oil. I personally don't like or enjoy soapy oils or any perfume that has soapiness in them because I don't want to smell like a soap. So very refreshing, zesty, light, sparkling, soapy, creamy kind of oil. This is Noura Onyx from Swiss Arabian. This is how it smells on my skin. I'm not smelling most of the flowers or any notes they have written over there. It is like if I would describe it in colors, it would be like lime green kind of soap that is laying around, that is very refreshing and zesty. Soapiness is bearable. Here it is like 20%, 25%. Some oils or some perfumes, they are really soapy, like 40-50%, and that really, you know, puts me off. Nice refreshing oil, and I think it wouldn't cost a lot. So if you like light zesty kind of soapy creamy oils, then this is for you. This is my review about Noura Onyx from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, subscribe or comment below. If you have used it or haven't used it, you can, I think you can order the samples from their website. They have a very big kit. I'm not sure whether they are offering it right now or not, but when I ordered, they had a very big kit where I ordered almost all the others and all the blends they had. So this is Onyx, Noura Onyx from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Put something in the comments below if you have used it. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.